Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to do this black and white cartoon art. So this is once again a very quick and easy video, and that is all because of the coronavirus. I have very limited time to record my YouTube videos at this moment, but I do really want to record videos, so that is why I'm keeping them simple lately. Well, if you want to know how I have created this black and white cartoon, please keep watching because I will show you step by step in the coming video. For the base of this makeup I'm using white, and I am using the Essential White by Diamond Effects, which has a great coverage. It is a water-based face paint, and usually when I have to paint something white, this is my go-to white face paint. So although there will be black and grey over this white, I will still just paint my entire face white to have a nice clean white canvas. And you can apply this to the face using a sponge, but you can also use a brush, and I am using one of the beauty brushes by Titanic Effects. This is brush 208, which I love to work with. It is for applying foundations, but making a nice base with water-based face paint also works with this brush. Now the base coat of color is on my skin, we can continue to shading, and I decided to do that with gray today. So this is color number 074, and I'm just going to put all the shadows in with this color. Time for some black, and the first thing I will do with the black is create some new eyebrows. So then it's time for my hairline, and there won't be a lot of hair visible, but anything that is visible should definitely be black. So I'm trying to make a straight line. Painting over your hair is kind of challenging, and with a bigger brush I will just paint my hair black, or at least a part of my hair, because I will be wearing a hat in a bit. I don't need to paint everything. I quickly put this top hat on to see if I painted enough of my hair black, and as you can see I did. I don't need to put any more black paint on my hair. So at home I created these glasses with the 3D doodler from my oldest son. It is a lovely little machine that can print amazing stuff, and my kids really like playing with it. So now I have it on. It is too white. There needs to be a bit of gray and a bit of black on them as well. So let me quickly get that done, and there they are again. So I quickly just painted them gray with the light gray color by Superstar number 071, and I also put my jacket on to finish this look. So there it is, my cartoon black and white cartoon look for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below. Stay tuned on all our videos. For now, I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back next time.